Welcome to Fed and Frugal. I'm Amy Power, and today we're grilling steak and veggies. This recipe is fast, simple, and what's even more, delicious. You can do it all on a tight budget. If you think grilling steaks is difficult or expensive, you're about to get really fired up. Hi, I'm Amy Power, the owner of Fed and Full, a personal chef service in Lake Tahoe. I'm here to teach you that cooking delicious food doesn't have to be hard, time-consuming, or expensive. So let's get cooking while saving some dough. Today we're gonna be grilling. Don't be scared. I promise, you don't need to be a grill master to make delicious food on the grill. You can go into the butcher and you can spend a lot of money, or you can shop smart, utilizing sales, buying cheaper ingredients, going for the bulk items. The butcher can guide you to help you find cheaper meat alternatives that can fit your budget. Any added labor will reflect in the cost of your proteins. For example, chicken thighs. Buying a whole chicken and breaking it down yourself is more cost effective rather than buying deboned and skinless chicken thighs. Some of my first memories with barbecuing is the Easter parties that my families would throw. They would be eating, drinking, having a great time, and that is what barbecuing is to me. Some people are intimidated, they feel like they can't do it, or they don't know how. I wanted to show you that everyone can barbecue, no matter who you are. Today we're gonna make a grilled flank steak with charred sweet potatoes, grilled mushrooms, in a miso ginger tahini sauce. Today I'm using an assorted variety pack of mushrooms from the farmer's market. Don't be intimidated and use whatever mushrooms you enjoy. Drizzling. Remember, there's a link to all these recipes in the description. The show is about making food that looks and tastes incredible, but without spending an incredible amount. We're gonna make our miso ginger tahini dressing. First, we're gonna start with some tahini, some garlic, ginger, rice vinegar, coconut aminos, yellow miso, cutest little maple syrup jar you've ever seen. Pepper. Lots of flavor going on in here. There you have it. Having a well-stocked pantry will save you so much money in the long run. So we have a marinated flank steak. I marinated this in a little bit of coconut aminos, ground ginger, and garlic. Remember, you can use soy sauce instead of coconut aminos. Beautiful looking flank steak. Ribeyes are one of my personal favorites, but they're a little pricier, so I decided to go with something that was more cost effective. So we have our sweet potatoes, our assorted mushrooms, and our flank steak. We're gonna grill these first, and then we'll finish with the flank steak. So let's go head out onto the grill. If you don't have a barbecue, use the broiler in your oven or a grill pan on your stovetop. Every barbecue is different. There's always like a hot spot somewhere, so get to know your barbecue. Ow, ow, I burnt myself. We're gonna cook these for about, 5 minutes till there's char. Okay, boom shakalaka. Ah, that's hot. That was on the barbecue. So you let your meat rest for about 10 minutes. By resting, it will be more juicy and hold in all the moisture. We want to cut against the grain here so the meat doesn't get tough. And then these little end pieces, these are for me. Okay, getting ready to plate. We're just gonna have everything get clumped together. Add some mushrooms down, break them up a little bit. We have the steak, the mushrooms, the sweet potatoes, the tahini on top. It's a party in your mouth. There's a lot going on in this dish. You're not gonna be hungry, and you can just bring it to the table and everyone gets to dig in. Plating is important to eating. The more appetizing your food looks, the more you'll enjoy your meal. Okay, who wants to eat with me tonight? Claire, come on down. Hi! Who's hungry?
I'm so excited.
All right, well, let's dig in.
Oh, wow. That's not faking it. That's really good.
There you go.
And we're going to try to keep some of this for you guys.
Mm-hmm.
Oh. Okay. I can't wait to try and make this, but I might need you to come over to help.